how you can fix unable to check for update error in your iPhone. Now before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So first thing that you'll have to do is open up your settings. Now after you're on your settings, just go to the general section. And after you're on general section, scroll down till you find VPN and Device Management. Tap on it and check if you have configuration profile. If you have a beta software profile running, make sure that you've uninstall it. And after you do that, just go back. And after you go back, go to the general again and go to iPhone storage. After you're on iPhone storage, make sure that you uninstall any of the updates that's ongoing. That is, any of iOS update that is ongoing. As you can see, I have no update ongoing, so that's fine. And after you do that, go to the general again and scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and reset your network settings. And after you do that, your problem will get fixed and you'll be able to check for updates in your iPhone. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.